Former FDC youth, the Honorable
Chairman Youth League.
Yes, the Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa, for his new responsibility. I was looking at Maama Mabira there, and I remembered the day she was taken to Zira by this government. Madam Speaker, the point the Right Honorable Leader of Opposition made, I think the Minister has answered one leg. First, you called government. I saw the Honorable Bahat standing. I don't know whether you become government by being here first, that you are the first in Parliament. But the point, Madam Speaker,
there is an order.
We are both FDCs.
Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker. I just want first of all to congratulate the Deputy Speaker for the achievement and the appointment. On the point of order, my brother, Honourable Ssemujju.
I want to look at your eyes. You know, you're covering your very beautiful eyes.
Right Honourable Speaker, my young brother here, Honourable Ssemujju Nganda Haji. Al-Haj is very much aware that I, Beatrice Atimanywa, Maama Mabira, I'm a member of the NRM. I contested, I'm a flag bearer, and I'm a serving minister in the government of the NRM. And he's alluding to his statement that I'm an FDC. Is he in order for him to continue dreaming that I'm still an FDC member when I'm a real NRM?
Honourable members, there's a saying, if you want to know, forget about the past. Much as the Deputy Speaker was in the Youth League, is in NRM. He's in NRM and is the Deputy Speaker of Parliament of Uganda, endorsed by none other than NRM party. So, having been there, forget my past. Let's look at the future.
You will now forget that you are also in FDC. I will forget.
You forget.
Since you have instructed me.
Actually, I have not been, I was there and I left there. I don't regret leaving.
Yeah, Madam Speaker, and I take your counsel, I will forget. But the question